The other day I saw that local restaurant serving cicada sushi, and I thought, man, what a great way to up my protein intake. Some of my friends thinks this is kinda gross, but I'm like, bro, weight's not cheap, and body like this doesn't come easy. If anything, they're the crazy ones for not taking advantage of the free food. I just go outside, gather a bunch, and boom! Groceries done. My favorite way to prepare them is in a nice protein shake, but I also had them grilled, stir-fried, sauteed, mashed, frozen, you name it.
Honestly, I'm a bit worried for Dan. Ever since he started Cicada Gainz, he's been acting really strange. He used to make fun of me for doing show choir, but now he insists we do family karaoke night because he can hold the tune. Flew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble. No, really, just one tune.
With Cicada Gainz, I have noticed my vertical has definitely improved.
If you ask me, he's a lot clumsier now. We used to ball here all the time, but it's just not fun anymore.
Ladies love my new little larva look.
I was really looking forward to my first date with Dan, but like the entire time he was hitting on other girls and could barely complete a sentence. So, like, what do you like to do for fun?
Oh, you know, the usual
It was a complete turnoff.
Thanks to Cicada Gainz, I feel a lot more comfortable in my own skin.
I love my Dan dearly, but he just has not been acting his sweet self lately. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever.
I'm nothing!
Father, forgive him.
Between you and me, the only downside to this Cicada Gainz is this weird rush I start to get in my back. Hey man, what's up? Do you mind robbing this with me? Can I roll a bridge? Right here.
Bro, what?
Yeah, right here.
That was the last straw.
What can I say? Cicada Gainz has been life-changing. I feel like I knew